Hello everyone, this is my review of the Giant Joy Blanket by EzrAllora. I'm going to show you how comfortable this blanket can be for you at home. It's pretty cool. It comes in a vacuum sealed bag, which makes it compress when you first get it, but once you open it up, it starts to air out and you can see how big it is. And it has a nice little ribbon bow on there. It might be a bit wrinkled up when you take it out, but that's not a problem when you just stick it in the wash. And the wrinkles come right out. Now, some of the cool features of this is that this blanket has a foot pocket to keep your foot warm, which I really like. And you have arm sleeves that you can put your arms through so you can continue to do things you're normally doing, like sipping a cup of tea while chilling outside. The Giant Joy is made of soft fleece material that's very comfortable and nice to the touch and great for snuggling it up, and I hope this review helps.